Mwalimu Theophil Academy reminds you that success is not an overnight process, but consistency. Welcome for today's session.
In this lesson, you're going to learn on the way we carry out multiplication of whole numbers. Now, just when you are given maybe number B times D and you get the answer F, here we say that the answer obtained after multiplication is known as the product. So F is the product obtained after multiplying B and D, and the number which multiply another number is known as a multiplier. So here D is a multiplier as it multiplies B. So the number to be multiplied by a multiplier, which is here B, is known as a multiplicand. A multiplicand. So this is the short introduction on the multiplication of whole numbers. Now, after this short introduction, let us see various examples on how we carry out multiplication of whole numbers. Let us see example 1. Example 1, let us consider maybe we are given 426 times 7 is equal to. Now, how do we carry multiplication of these two numbers? Let us see the solution. The solution here. Let us use the vertical method. Here, let us arrange our two numbers in vertical way. Here, we are going to start with 426 times 7. Now, let us put equal sign, as you may see. Here, we are going to start multiplying the digits which are on the most right hand side to the left hand side as usual, and we are going to take the occurring multiplier. It will be multiplying all the digits which are found in the multiplicand. Now let us start with 7 times 6, we get 42. We write 2 and we carry forward 4 as we have obtained 42. So we write 2 and we carry forward 4. Here the next is 7 times 2. 7 times 2 we get 14. But you have to remember we carry forward 4. So we take this 14 plus 4, we get 18. We write 8, we carry forward again 1. So we write 8 and we carry forward 1. Here we have 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 28, we add 1 which we carried forward. It becomes 29. So here the answer is 2,982. 2,982, as you may see. Now, after this first example, let us see the next example. The second example here is 205 times 25 is equal to. Now, let us see the solution for this. Here, we are going to arrange them vertically as usual. We are going to take 205 times 25. Here, if the multiplier is made up of more than one digit, when you put equal sign, before equal sign, you start with a single horizontal line as this, as I'm doing, as you see. After this horizontal line, after putting this horizontal line, you start multiplying. Here, we are going to start from the digit which is on the most right hand side to the left. So we are going to start with the multiplier digit 5. So we are going to start with the 5. This multiplier 5 should multiply all of the digits which occurs in the multiplicand. So we start 5 times 5, we get 25. We write 5 here, we carry forward 2. Again, we take 5 times 0. 5 times 0 is 0. Now, as we get 0, but you carry forward 2, we add this 2, so we get here 2. Again, we take 5 times 2. 5 times 2, we get 10. So that 10 is whole because we don't have any value which we carry forward. Here we are through with the multiplier 5. This 5 has multiplied all the digits in the multiplicand as you have seen. So let us shift to the second multiplier. The second multiplier we have here is 2. So as 5 has multiplied all the 3 digits in the multiplicand, even 2 is going to do the same. Let us start. Here we are going to take 2 times 5. 2 times 5 we get 10. 2 times 5 we get 10. As we get 10, we write 0 and you carry forward 1. Now, where do we write this 0? You write the first digit below corresponding to where the multiplier is. Our multiplier is 2, so it is here. Now, this 0 is going to be written below this 2 in the same line, in the same vertical line as where 2 is. So here we are going to write 0 here. This is 0. And you have to remember we carry forward 1. Let us take again. It is 2. We have finished 2 times 5. So now is 2 times 0. 2 times 0, the answer is 0. Now you have to add 1 which you carry forward. So it is 0 plus 1 which is 1. Now here we write 1. Let us finish with 2 times 2. 2 times 2, the answer is 4. So 4 is written here with corresponding to 1. Now, after finishing all the 2, after using all the 2 multipliers, as you can see, we have 20, the number is 25, so we have 5 and 2, and all have, each has multiplied all the digits which are in the multiplicand. So what next here is to add the obtained results. We put additional sign here, and we put equal sign, as you may see. We put equal signs. Here we start adding these 2 numbers obtained. Here we drop 5 as there is no digit here to add it with. Now we take 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 we get 2. Here we take 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 we get 1. Here we have 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 we get 5. So the answer is 5,125. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson as it is clear. So I think that you have to practice more so as to be competent in the section of multiplying whole numbers. Thank you. Have a nice moment. Bye.